Hi boys and girls, today we are going to be working on Sundays level 29. Again, we're going to be working on the second portion of it. So what you will need is your student notebook. So make sure you grab that out of your blue folder and a pencil or pen. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to grab that and then we'll get going. You can go ahead and write your name, the date, and level 29. Name, date, and level 29. And then again, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. But we're going to keep on moving through. So we are going to go ahead and begin our lesson with read sounds. If you remember from last week, this is where I will show you a letter or letters on the screen. You are going to say the sound. Last week when we went through this lesson, I said the sounds with you to demonstrate what it looked like. However, I want you guys to use your memory bank this week to say what sounds these letters and letters make. And we will be reviewing them in class, so if you make any mistakes, we can talk about it in classes also. And you will notice I am going at a pretty fast pace because we want to help build fluency by getting to know these sounds even better and practicing them each week, so we should become faster at saying the sounds and recognizing what these letters say. All right, awesome job, guys. Go ahead and pick up that pencil and or pen. It is okay to use a pen on these lessons because mistakes are not bad. I would love to see your mistakes that you make. That way I know what we need to review in class. So again, if you make a mistake, we're going to be working on 2 spell sounds. You can cross out your mistake like I did with my letter letter B. On here, I put it backwards to show that you can put a line through the letter and then correct your mistake on that same line. And if a parent is with you, they can correct your mistakes as if you make one, or I will check it when you bring it back on the day that you are here. Okay, so for this section, I'm going to dictate the sound. You are going to write the letter or letters that work together to make the sound. For example, the first sound is ing. Ing. So I'll demonstrate this one. I said ing, so I would write ing on the line. Our next sound, r. R. I am going to say the sound twice so that you can hear it clearly. You do not have to write the letter or letters twice, just write them once. Ung, ung. Ong, ong. Bowl, bowl. That one's a consonant cluster, so listen carefully. Bowl, bowl, like in blue. Ang, ang. Oi, oi. There are 2 ways to make that oi sound. If you know them both, write them down, and we'll see which ones you guys remember. And our last sound, eh, eh. Then I have a little bonus question here for you. I want you to write the 2 ways that we can make the w sound. There are 2 different ways that we can make the w sound. Write them both down on the last line in this section. And that is it for our spell sounds. So we're going to continue on through reading our words. In this section, you are going to see words appear on the screen. I want you to read them as they appear. If you can say it automatically, just go ahead and read it. If you need to stop and stretch out that word, absolutely feel free to do that. I encourage that strategy, and that is perfectly fine, and we will work through our words. I'm going to go at a decent pace today, not too fast, but not too slow, because we are trying to build that fluency. If you need to pause the video at any point to stretch out a word, feel free to pause it, stretch it out. I am not going to read the words with you this week because I want you to practice stretching out those words. So go ahead and read through these. These ones are a bit of a tongue twister. All right, awesome job. Now we are on to our fourth section, which is spell words. So you will need your notebook again and your pen or pencil. I'm going to dictate a sound, dictate a word. I want you to write the word down on each line. If you need to stretch out our word, go ahead and pause the video and stretch it out. And I will check this work when you bring it back to class in your blue folder. Our first word is when. When. When it is time to go to lunch, the teacher will tell you. When. Our next word, hard. Hard. The next word, blush. Blush. Our next word, storm. Storm. This next word is a sight word review. Does. Does. And remember, do not stretch out our sight words because they are not phonetically correct most of the time. We need to add those into our memory bank. So if we're not sure, we'll review it when you come back. Just try your best. Our next word, check. Check. Our next word, fling. Fling. Our next our next word is boy. Boy. And we will do one more word, and it is, let's do clock. Clock. All right. And then after you are done writing that last word, go ahead and move to our sentence part of our lesson. I'm going to give you a sentence to write down. Be sure to check your caps after you are done with your sentence, so looking for your capitalization, your finger spaces, your organization, your punctuation, and your spelling. So check those 4 things, and I will be checking them when you bring it back. And your sentence today, and then next week we're going to work on 2 sentences. We'll add to it. We're slowly easing back into our lessons. Our sentence will be, Roy is a smart boy. Roy is a smart boy. So go ahead, pause the video, write your sentence, and make sure you check your cops. All right, now that your sentence is done, we are going to introduce some new material, and we are going to be focusing on these letters. O-O. O-O makes the sound ooh. It will make 2 sounds, but we're going to focus just on this sound for today. It'll say ooh like in moon. If we stretched out moon, we'd hear that ooh in the middle. Ooh, moon. Let's try some together. I want you to go ahead and write O-O on the 3 little lines under the new material section. So O-O-O-O-O-O, just to remind yourself that that is our skill we are looking at today. We are going to stretch out some words with the ooh sound in the middle. So let's begin. Soon. S, ooh, I'll write this one down. S, ooh, If you hear our ooh sound, we need to use our O-O. Our next word, food. 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 Our next word, moon. Ooh, Our next word will be hoop. Ooh, hoop. Our next word is spoon. Spoon. Sp. Ooh, Sp. Ooh, And the last word I'm going to give you is boost. B-oo-st. Boost. You might have a few lines left on your paper. And if you do, I'm going to challenge you. Can you think of any words that have that oo sound in it that use O-O to make that sound? If you can find any, write them on the paper and we'll talk about it in class. So awesome work today. And remember to bring your notebook back in your blue folder. Have a great day.